David. Okay. So I've named the project. It's going to be Sukas David, and then I click on that. You can name the project the way you want. I'm just naming it Sukas David because I love David. I love myself, and I enjoy being called David. Okay, there we go. I've got a form one. I can change the form one here on properties. Here you have properties, and here you have two boxes. The two boxes got a lot of icons, a lot of keys that you can use here to modify, to make your actions in the form, to put actions in the form. Like I'm going to put this form on center, and I'm going to change the form one into the main interface, which will become Sukas Tech System. Okay, there we go, Sukas Tech System. So I've got Sukas Tech System. Okay, I'm going to put up the radio buttons here. I can use the tick box. I can also use the radio button, but I'm going to use the radio button. Before I use the radio button, I need to put in the group because it has to demarcate the functionality. If I don't put the group, then the H radio button that I'm going to drag and drop here, even if I have 6 of them, it's only one that will be active, and the others won't be inactive, will be inactive. So which means only one radio button will take action if I don't put on the control. So I'm going to take this group box, and drop it here. What I'm doing here is just to isolate the radio button from the other, so that the one that is specifically in this group box will work according to what I want. And should I need to do more radio button, then I need to have another group box. I'll just copy this. It will be a group box 2. As you can see, it populates it just changes. You will never make mistakes in working in this environment because it's automatically picks up and change the name. They have just developed this on a high level. I'm going to remove that to leave this group box open, and I'm going to also remove that as well at the same time so that I can have that. Now I have these 2 group box, which means I'm going to populate my radio button. I'm going to put it there as a radio button 1, automatically radio button 1, and I'm going to put here radio button 2. Alright, so the radio button 2 here, and I'm going to, if I copy this and put it here, it will be radio button 3. Then it has a different function because it's now in the group box. Depending on how I'm going to make this radio button work, they may not work the same. So I'm going to paste again because I copied, then it will be radio button 4. Alright, now I'm going to make this look very smart by changing the size of this and also the size of this. You can also change the colors of this. You can change the color. You can change the color here. You see, it changed the color. Or I can put it in more that. I can put a color up to that. Okay, work systems. I put in that color. I can also put the same color there. Same color. Okay, you can put on the different colors. Well, color systems. Alright, so I have colors. Change these colors. You can do whatever you want, provided you know what you're doing. So I'm going to change the radio button there to be first company. Okay, no. I'm going to change to RBT first company. Now it will take. Okay, Now I'm gonna also change the name of this radio button to first. Wow, what a sound! First company. Okay. Then here I'm gonna also change it to payments. Okay, no, last company to text. Okay, so now I'm gonna also change here to radio button 2 so that I may have this beating last company. Okay, now I've changed that. I haven't yet put on any code behind, but it automatically shows that there is public class and end class. Okay, I'll come to that at this stage. I'm going to change this one as well to yes. I'm going to change to this one. No. So I've got this and I've got that. Now I'm going to pick up the text box. There is no need for me to put the text box in group because the text box stands on its own. I can just copy this one as well. You can copy and paste. It automatically changes the name as you copy. Excuse me. Automatically change as you copy. Okay, all right. Now I have the text box 1, this is text box 2. So for me to know, I will give this text box name. Okay, I'll say txt first company. txt first. Okay, so I'll take it up because I've named it the first company and I put it there. Then here I'll say payment, txt payment. Okay, so I have this and that one there. Now I'm going to create the code that is going to work with this radio button that I've put up. Now this is TX first name, this is TX payment. So I'm going to click on this radio button, double click on it, it populates there, and it almost say private sub RBT first company. So I'm going to say if R BT first, it populate dot check is equal to true. You see, it's just say true. Then, okay, then first TX first company dot text equal to, then I'm going to put up the first company name, which is Real Dealer Projects. Okay, that's the first company. I'm going to put up there. Or I can put Microsoft, because I love Microsoft. Okay, I also put up the last company. Then I'm going to take advantage of the same code that I typed here. Instead of typing same thing over and over again, just paste there. Then I'm going to change this first to last. Last, it picks up the first company, then the first company text is equal to, I'm going to change the name of the company there. We'll put up Microsoft. Right. Now, I'm going to go back here. Then I have this code and this code. Now, this one is payment. yes, it says they paid. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to say if radio button 3 dot okay, is equal to true, then I'm going to show you because I still need to put up which is this one. I got this one, the name is text payment, okay, text payment. So this error that you see here, one, it's just like I didn't finish up the code. I'm gonna finish right now. It says true, then text, I'm gonna say txt payment dot text equal to, I'm going to put up money there, 65,000. Good. So that's it. Then if no, I'll just say, then I click there, put it up here. Then I'll change button 4, there it goes, then payment is 0. Okay, now I'm gonna run this. It's just a demo. I'm just showing you how these things gonna work. It runs. As you can see there, it runs. It comes up the first company, the last company, you see there, the last company, and then this, they've got the first company, it comes up, that's it. Then if I say pay, yeah, they paid, yes. If none pay, then it's 0. If no, then it says, you see that. Then the last company is Microsoft, then I say no, they pay 0, nothing payment. Then there, it's real data paid 0. If I say yes, payment was made, then it goes, it shows the amount of money that was paid. So you can take advantage on this system and design your own, learn from this, and take it further. This is David. I hope you enjoy watching this. For more information, you can drop me a comment. You can also send me an email. I will be able to attend to any question. I can go deeper and further than this. This is just to show you. I can make it big to fill up the whole screen, minimize and maximize. If I want, I can disable these functions that the user won't close it or minimize, but that doesn't really work well. As a senior developer, we just leave this application run as Microsoft intended it to run. Anyway,